everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from OnePay to Zelle. So let's start with the first one, which is to open OnePay and check the balance. So just log into OnePay app and confirm your wallet balance covers the amount plus any transfer fee. Next is go ahead and tap transfer. So you have to choose your linked US bank account and then enter the amount and confirm. Next one is wait for the funds to land in the bank. So standard ACH takes 1 to 3 business days, while the instant transfer, if eligible, arrive within minutes for a small fee. Next is open your bank account, your bank application and tap Zelle. And then in your bank's app, open the Zelle section and enter the recipient's email or you can also use the US phone. And then after that, put the amount. Lastly is go ahead and confirm and send via Zelle. So review the details and tap send and the recipient receives funds within minutes if enrolled in Zelle. Now, just a tip, if the recipient isn't enrolled, they will get an email with instructions and 14 days to claim the money. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.